Mark Allen here and welcome back to the vlog. I hope you are all doing well and we are currently here at NAIA Terminal 3 and we are flying to Bangkok as you already saw from the title of this vlog. And of course, samahan nyo na naman ako to another Thailand adventure. So guys, around 4 p.m. nakarating ako here sa airport and around 4:30 nakalagpas na tayo sa bag drop, immigration and security, and sobrang bilis lang, parang nasa 30 minutes plus lang nakapunta na agad tayo sa boarding gates. And it's a Sunday afternoon today, so siguro swerte lang ako or wala talaga masyadong nagta-travel, pero ayun, for me hindi super busy sa airport at the moment. And ayun guys, we still have plenty of time before our boarding. So, maghanap muna tayo ng cafe later. Pero for now, nakaupo lang ako dito sa boarding gate. And later na tayo mag-cafe para makatambay tayo at least mga 1 to 2 hours. Dahil 8:45 p.m. pa yung boarding time natin. So, I will see you later guys. Made it to Bangkok guys. We are here at Suvarnabhumi International Airport. Guys, grabe, sobrang haggard ng immigration ngayon sa Suvarnabhumi Airport. More than 1 hour ako pumila and grabe, parang tinalo pa nila yung Ho Chi Minh sa sobrang snake nung line sa immigration. And nandito ako ngayon sa Crystal Suites Hotel and mag-shower lang tayo dahil meron tayong agad na flight ng 7 a.m. to Phuket. So ayun, it's already past 2:30 a.m. So bilisan lang natin, later na ulit ako chichika sa inyo. And tara, mag-quick room tour muna tayo. it to our first hotel here in Phuket, which is the Memory at On Hotel, and 2 p.m. pa yung check-in, and 11 a.m. past 11 a.m. pa lang. So maghanap muna tayo ng cafe na pwede nating tambayan. Hello guys, from someone na wala pang tulog magmula kahapon. It's past noon time na, and naka-early check-in tayo kasi ayun nga, 2 p.m. pa raw yung check-in, pero parang quarter to 1 pinag-check-in ako ni JJ from the front desk. So thank you so much JJ, and dinala niya pa yung baggages ko dito sa room. So ayun, ang ganda ng room guys, very traditional, parang may pagka-vintage aesthetic kasi tong hotel na to. So, kaya ko rin siya napili kasi parang very nostalgic yung vibes. And parang nasa old Chinatown film. Parang ganun yung peg. So, basta ang ganda. Sana makapag-picture ako ng maganda kahit parang wala akong outfit na bagay dito sa hotel na to. And ayun, mag-quick room tour lang tayo. Then mag-shower na ulit ako. And magpa-power nap muna ako guys. Later na ulit tayo lumaban dito sa Old Town Phuket. So ayan guys, dyan tayo nakaupo nung chumichika ko sa inyo sa blue couch na yan. Ang ganda niya. And yung window, tingnan nyo naman. Parang very old school. And ang ayoko lang is medyo dim lang yung light. So, parang kahit may natural light sana, hindi makapasok kasi hindi siya mabuksan. Parang nakafix siya sa ganyang setup. And meron tayong wardrobe dito with bathrobes and plenty of hangers. And meron ding hair dryer dyan and safety deposit box. We have a mini fridge na free daw yung drinks dito, according to JJ. Yeah, we have 1 Coke. And ano yun, parang sugar cane drink something. And 2 bottles of water. And meron tayo ditong malaking water kettle with free coffee and tea. And meron tayong cups and glasses dyan. Meron tayong cute na lamp. And pwede nyo itong maging workstation kung may dala kayong work. Or maging vanity area. And guys, tingnan nyo ang effort ng tissue nila. Naka-flower arrangement ang bongga. And ito yung bonggang bed natin. King sized siya. And 4 yung pillows niya. Meron pang hotdog pillow dyan. And meron tayong dalawang bedside tables with huge decorative lamps. Guys, ang ganda ng bathroom. Naloka ako. Tingnan nyo. Meron pang pa-fresh orchids. Oh. Diba? And ayan yung amenities natin. Tingnan nyo. Ayun, bath and shower gel. And shampoo, guys. Ayan. Meron ding bidet yung toilet natin. And meron tissue roll dyan. And ang ganda ng shower area. Parang aesthetic ng tiles. And meron siya nung parang rainfall type. And yung movable na shower head. Ayan. Guys, for our very quick room tour na super sulit actually. Alam nyo, normally nasa 3K ko to nakikita dati. Pero nag last minute book ako. Nakuha ko lang siya ng around 1,700 pesos. So, ayun, you can also book it through Klook. Don't forget to use my promo code of course para mas maka-discount pa kayo at ilalagay ko yan dyan. And for now guys, ayun, mag-shower na ako and magpapahinga muna ako and I will talk to you later. Good evening guys, nakapag-power nap na tayo ng mga 2 hours. So tara, samahan nyo naman akong mag-dinner. Guys, ang sarap ng dinner natin na pad krapaw. Sobrang budget friendly, 109 baht lang and sold na as in. Good morning guys, it's another day here in Phuket and tara samahan niyo ako mag-coffee.